Hello students, let's start with examples on local maximum and minimum and saddle points. So the example is, find the local maximum and minimum values and saddle points of the function is f of xy is equal to x square plus y square into e raised to y square minus x square. So in solution, what is given? F of xy is equal to x square plus y square e raised to y square minus x square. What is our first step? First, we will find out critical points. So for that, what we do? Let fx is equal to 0 and fy is equal to 0. So what will be fx? This is our f of xy. Here is x, means we need to use u into v rule. So fx is equal to, keep this x square plus y square as it is. Derivative of e raised to y square minus x square is e raised to y square minus x square. Again derivative of y square minus x square with respect to x will be minus 2x. Plus, keep this second term as it is. Derivative of x square plus y square will be 2x. Okay, e raised to y square minus x square as it is. We can take e raised to y square minus x square common. So here will be multiply by minus 2x. Here will be minus 2x cube minus 2xy square plus 2x into e raised to y square minus x square. Okay. And f of y is equal to, what is f of y? This is our fx, derivative with respect to y. Here is y, here is y. Here also we need to use u into v rule. So keep x square plus y square as it is. Derivative of e raised to y square minus x square. Okay. Again its derivative 2y plus derivative of x square plus y square with respect to y will be 2y. Second term as it is. Here also we can take e raised to y square minus x square common. So here will be 2x square y plus 2y cube plus 2y into e raised to y square minus x square. Okay. Now we are considering fx is equal to, means this value is equal to 0 and fy is equal to 0. So for that, therefore fx is equal to 0. This implies minus 2x cube minus 2xy square plus 2x into e raised to y square minus x square is equal to 0, and fy is equal to 0. This implies, this is our fy, 2x square y plus 2y cube plus 2y into e raised to y square minus x square is equal to 0. Now we know that e raised to y square minus x square cannot be 0. So definitely what must be 0? This bracket and this second bracket must be 0. So this implies minus 2x cube minus 2xy square plus 2x is equal to 0, and 2x square y plus 2y cube plus 2y is equal to 0. That is, we can divide throughout by or minus 2, okay, or we can divide throughout by 2. Here also we can divide throughout by 2, that is minus x cube minus xy square plus x is equal to 0, and here also x square y plus y cube plus y is equal to 0. Here we can take x common, therefore take x common, minus x square minus y square plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. And here we can take y common, y x square plus y square plus 1 is equal to 0. What this implies? X is equal to 0, or this second bracket minus x square minus y square plus 1 is equal to 0, and here y is equal to 0, or x square plus y square plus 1 is equal to 0. Now look at this equation, x square plus y square plus 1 is equal to 0. Now we are considering real numbers, and square of any real number, positive or negative, is positive. This will be positive and plus 1. So it cannot be 0. So this is not possible. So we can write here x square plus y square plus 1 is equal to 0 is not possible, since x and y are real numbers. Okay. Therefore, what we have, x0 or this, x is equal to 0, or minus x square minus y square plus 1 is equal to 0, and y is equal to 0. That is what? That is, we have either one of these two conditions, that is, we have x is equal to 0, comma y is equal to 0, or this second condition and this. If y is equal to 0, what happen here? This will be 0. Minus x square plus 1 is equal to 0, means x square will be 1 and x will be plus minus 1, or x is equal to plus minus 1 and y is equal to 0. Okay. Therefore, our critical points are 0, 0 and plus minus 1 comma 0. So we are writing, therefore 0, 0 comma plus minus 1 comma 0 are critical points. Now let us find out fxx, fyy and fxy. For that we require fx and fy. We already calculated what was fx. Fx was 2x minus 2x cube minus 2xy into e raised to y square minus x square, and fy was 2y plus 2x square y plus 2y cube into e raised to y square minus x square. Okay. Now let us find out. Now fxx is equal to derivative of this with respect to x. Here also we need to use u into v rule. So let us keep this first bracket as it is, 2x minus 2x cube minus 2xy, derivative of e raised to y square minus x square, again its derivative minus 2x, plus keep this e raised to y square minus x square as it is, derivative of this bracket with respect to x will be, that will be 2 minus 6x square minus 2y. Okay, this e raised to y square minus x square as it is. We can simplify it. Okay, simplify it. Take e raised to y square minus x square common. So, and here multiply by minus 2x. So, it will be minus 4x square. Okay. Then minus minus plus 4x raised to 4 plus 4x square y plus this 2 minus 6x square minus 2y into e raised to y square minus x square. So which is equal to, here we can add this minus 4x square minus 6x square, that will be minus 10x square plus 4x raised to 4 plus 4x square y plus 2 minus 2y into e raised to y square minus x square. This is our fxx. Then fxy, that is derivative of fx with respect to y. Okay. Use u into v rule. Keep this first bracket as it is. Derivative of this with respect to y plus derivative of this with respect to y will be minus 2x into this e raised to y square minus x square as it is. Now let us simplify it. Take e raised to y square minus x square common and multiply this bracket by 2y. That will be 4xy minus 4x cube y minus 4xy square minus 2x e raised to y square minus x square. Okay, this is our fxy. Then fyy is equal to, what was our fy? Our fy was 2y plus 2x square y plus 2y cube e raised to y square minus x square. So fyy means partial derivative of fy with respect to y. Use u into v rule. So keep first bracket as it is. Derivative of second with respect to y plus keep second as it is. Derivative of first with respect to y will be 2 plus 2x square plus 6y square into e raised to y square minus x square. Again simplify it. We can take e raised to y square minus x square common. Here multiply by 2y to this bracket. We get 4y square plus 4x square y square plus 4y raised to 4 plus this bracket 2 plus 2x square plus 6y square into e raised to y square minus x square. Here we can add the 6y square and 4y square, that will be 10y square plus 4x square y square plus 4y raised to 4 plus 2 plus 2x square into e raised to y square minus x square. This is our fyy. Okay. Now we will find out this fxx, fyy and fxy, at which point we get three critical points: 0, 0, 1, 0 and minus 1, 0. Okay. So let us find out. First, for the point 0, 0. So A, that is fxx at point 0, 0. What will be that? This is our fxx. Okay. fxx at 0, 0. Keep x 0, y 0. So that will be 2 into e raised to 0. That will be 2. Okay. B is equal to fyy at 0, 0. This is our fyy. Keep x 0, y 0. So it will be 2 e raised to 0. So that is also 2. Then C. C is equal to fxy at point 0, 0. So this is our fxy. Put x 0, y 0. So we get here 0. And then what will be D? D is equal to AB minus C square. That is 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. Okay. So 4 minus 0. Okay. We get 4 here. So here D is greater than 0. A is greater than 0. So I am writing here. Here D greater than 0 and A greater than 0. Therefore F has local minimum at point 0, 0. And we can find out the value of F at 0, 0. And that value will be f of 0, 0 is equal to 0 is local minimum value. Okay. This is for one critical point. For critical point 0, 0. Now let us find out for another critical point, that is second. For another critical point 1, 0. So let us find out. That is A is equal to fxx at 1, 0. So that will be, put x is equal to 1 and y 0. So that will be minus 10 plus 4 y 0. Okay. plus 2 into e raised to 0 minus 1 means e raised to minus 1. So that will be minus 4 into e raised to minus 1. That will be what? Minus 4 e raised to minus 1. B is equal to fyy at 1 0. So this is our fyy. Put x1 y0. So this will be 0. This y0. So 0 0 0. Here 2 plus 2. That will be 4. E raised to what? E raised to 0 minus 1. That will be 4 e raised to minus 1. Then C is equal to f of xy 1 0. This is our f of xy. Put y0 0 0 0. Put x1. So minus 2 into e raised to 0 minus 1. That will be e raised to minus 1. Okay. So from this what we get? Therefore D will be D is equal to AB minus C square. That is equal to A into B, that is minus 16 e raised to minus 1 into e raised to minus 1. That will be e raised to minus 2 minus C square will be minus 2 e raised to minus 1, its square will be 4 e raised to minus 2. Okay, we can take e raised to minus 2 common. So minus 16 or minus 16 e raised to minus 2 minus 4 e raised to minus 2. That will be minus 20 e raised to minus 2. Okay, so here what we get here? Here our D is less than 0. Therefore F has saddle point at point 1 0. Okay, so we can write here D is less than 0. Therefore F has saddle point at 1 0. Okay, similarly take it as a homework. Similarly find out whether the third critical point, what was that? Minus 1 0. Find out whether this point is local maximum, local minimum or saddle point. Okay, now let us solve next example. In this we will find out the shortest distance between 2 points. For that we will use local maximum and local minimum values. So let us solve example. Find the shortest distance from the point to 0 minus 3 to the plane x plus y plus z is equal to 1. What is question? Plane is given, x plus y plus z, some plane is given and one point is given. Okay, we have to find out the shortest distance of this point to the plane. Okay, so let us solve it. Let us consider this point as A. So let A 2 0 minus 3 be the given point. Okay, this point is given and we have to find out the shortest distance of this point to this plane. So let us consider there is a point such that the distance between 2 0 minus 3 and that point is minimum. So let us take that point as P of xyz. Let A, this is given point, and let P of xyz be the point on the plane. This is point on the plane such that the distance between these 2 points is minimum. Okay, be the point on the plane which is plane x plus y plus z is equal to 1, such that AP is the shortest distance. AP is shortest distance. Now how can we calculate the distance between these 2 points? We know the formula. Suppose say the distance, let us denote the distance by D, and these 2 points are A and P. We know this formula. It is square root of x minus 2 bracket square plus y minus 0 bracket square plus z minus minus 3, that will be y plus 3 bracket square. Okay. Now it is third point is what? Okay. Now here it is z, it is not y. Z minus minus plus z plus 3 bracket square. Okay. Now here it is a function of 3 variables x, y and z. We will convert it into function of 2 variables using this equation of plane. Now we have, what is plane? Equation of plane, x plus y plus z is equal to 1. This implies z is equal to 1 minus x minus y. Therefore D can be written as D, that is AP, is equal to, it can be written as square root of x minus 2 bracket square plus y square plus z plus 3. This is our z. Z plus 3 will be what? 4 minus x minus y bracket square. Okay. This is our D. Now we will find relative minimum value of D. So now we find relative minimum value of D. So how to find out this value? For that, from this D, what we will do? We will find out dx, that is partial derivative of D with respect to x, and equate it to 0. Then we will find out partial derivative of D with respect to y, equate it to 0. From this we get the points x and y. Okay, using x and y we can find out the value of D, and that values of x, y and z are nothing but our point. Okay, so using that we can find out the distance. So now let us find out dx. This is our D. So now dx, we have D. So partial derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. So using that, its derivative will be 1 upon 2 square root of x minus 2 bracket square plus y square plus 4 minus x minus y bracket square. Again derivative of this bracket, derivative of this x minus 2 bracket square plus y square with respect to x. What will be that? X minus 2 square, its derivative will be 2 into x minus 2, its derivative 0. Its derivative will be 2 into 4 minus x minus y. Again derivative of minus x will be minus 1. So it will be what? 2x minus 4 multiply by minus 2 to this bracket. So that will be minus 8 minus minus plus 2x plus 2y upon this 2, keep this square root as it is, x minus 2 bracket square plus y square plus 4 minus x minus y bracket square, which is equal to 2x plus 2x, 4x plus 2y minus 12 upon square root of 2 into square root of x minus 2 bracket square plus y square plus 4 minus x minus y bracket square. So here 2, here we can divide by 2, so that will be 2x plus y minus 6 upon square root x minus 2 bracket square plus y square plus 4 minus x minus y bracket square. this is our dx. Okay, next we will find out dy. I am keeping it as it is. Okay, and dy is equal to what? Its derivative with respect to y, 1 upon 2 square root of x minus 2 bracket square plus y square plus 4 minus x minus y bracket square. Here derivative of x minus 2 bracket square, all of this with respect to y. What will be that? That will be derivative of y square 2y plus derivative of this will be 2 into 4 minus x minus y. Again its derivative will be minus 1. Okay, so which is equal to, after that this is our dx. Okay, after that let us simplify it. I am writing it here. Therefore dy is equal to 2y multiply by minus 2, it will be minus 8 minus 2 minus x plus 2x minus 2 minus y plus 2y upon 2 square root of x minus 2 bracket square plus y square plus 4 minus x minus y bracket square. So that will be what? 4y, 2x plus 4y minus 8, and after dividing by 2, that will be x plus 2y minus 4 upon square root of this quantity, that is x minus 2 bracket square plus y square plus 4 minus x minus y bracket square. Okay, this is dy. This is our dx, this is dy. Next, what we will do? Let us take fx is equal to, that is sorry, here dx is equal to 0 and dy is equal to 0. Let dx is equal to 0 and dy is equal to 0. What is dx? This is our dx. Therefore 2x plus y minus 6 upon square root of x minus 2 bracket square plus y square plus 4 minus x minus y bracket square is equal to 0, and this is our dy, that is x plus 2y minus 4 upon square root of x minus 2 bracket square plus y square plus 4 minus x minus y bracket square is equal to 0. Okay, dx is 0 and dy is 0. So here this denominator can be shifted to right hand side, so that will be 0. So this implies this 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0 and x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. In next step, what we will do? We will solve these two equations. Okay, so after solving these two equations, what we get? We will get, you can check it, we will get x is equal to 8 by 3, y is equal to 2 by 3. Okay, therefore 8 by 3 comma 2 by 3 is critical point. Okay, here we get x and y. Okay, and in this example what we have to do? We have to find out the shorted distance. Okay, what was the formula for that? We have, what was our formula? D, that is shortest distance. We considered the point P such that distance between A and P is minimum. And what was that formula? Square root of x minus 2 bracket square plus y square plus 4 minus x minus y bracket square. Now we find out the value of x 8 by 3, value of y 2 by 3. Okay, so replace here x is 8 by 3 minus 2 bracket square plus y is 2 by 3 square, that is 4 by 9 plus 4 minus 8 by 3 minus 2 by 3 bracket square. So here it will be 2 by 3 square, that will be 4 by 9, here plus 4 by 9, here plus 12 minus 8 minus 2, that will be 2 by 3 square, that also be 4 by 9. Okay, so it will be square root of 12 by 9. Okay, that is 2 root 3 upon 3. Okay, and we can write it as 2 root 3 upon 3 can be write as, because 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3, so we can write it as 2 upon root 3. Okay, 2 upon root 3 is the minimum distance from the point to the point on the plane. Okay, so let's stop here. In next lecture we will solve some more examples. Thank you.